Hey everyone, welcome back. So for today's video I did a super glam, dramatic, glittery makeup tutorial. So for this look today I used the Stila Magnificent Metals liquid eyeshadow. This is the first time I've used it on myself and I am beyond obsessed with how this look came out. So if you guys would like to see exactly how I created this look, then just keep watching and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! Okay, so we're jumping straight in and starting with the eyes. So I'm just using a concealer to prep my lids for the eyeshadow, and then I will just use a press powder to set that concealer as well. So I'm using the Too Faced Chocolate Bar Palette today, and I'm just taking the shades Salted Caramel and Milk Chocolate and just blending those into my crease until the shadows are seamless. I do like to build this up quite a bit to add a nice dimension into my crease. I'm then just going in with Triple Fudge and Semi Sweet and just applying that on the outer third of my eyelid and blending it up slightly into the crease. Don't worry about building this color up too much just yet because we will apply a bit more after we've applied the glitter. Now we're jumping on to the fun part, the glitter. So I'm just using the Stila Magnificent Metals liquid eyeshadow in the shade Smoky Storm, and I'm just focusing this on my mobile lid. So I use a smaller detail brush to really pack that in to the inner corner in the first third, and then I kind of keep it a bit more sheer towards the outer corner where that dark shadow is, so I don't really build it up too much more around the outer third. I'm then going back in with those darker shadows on my outer corner and just blending it in a little bit more with that glitter so that the transition is a bit more seamless. I'm then applying those exact shadows on my lower lash line as well as lining my waterline. I'm then applying mascara on my top and bottom lashes and popping on some falsies. I'm just using the Ardell Demi Wispies. Jumping straight onto the base, I'm applying the Smashbox Photo Finish Pore Refining Primer. I only recently got this and I'm not sure if I like it. It is super hard to blend out and made my skin look a bit dry and cakey, but I guess I will keep trying it out with different foundations. The foundation I'm using today is the MAC Studio Fix Fluid. I'm just spreading that out evenly and then blending it in with my Real Techniques sponge. No surprises here, I'm going in with my Holy Grail concealer, the Maybelline Fit Me, just to brighten up those under eyes and highlight the center of my face. I am then using the Australis Fresh and Flawless Pressed Powder just to set my entire face. For contouring, I'm using the darkest shade in the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. I'm just applying this on my cheekbones, my temples, and my jawline as well, just to give my face some extra dimension. For blush, I am using NARS Orgasm and just applying that on the apples of my cheeks and blending that outwards. Going in with highlighter, I'm using the MAC Skin Finish in Oh Darling. I'm then just setting my whole face with the Urban Decay setting spray. Jumping straight onto lips, I'm lining mine with the Savvy lip liner in the shade Natural. I'm then going in with MAC matte lipstick in Honey Love and applying Revlon Color Stay Lip Burst, I think it is, in the shade Creme Brulee.